Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's get started with the market and see what we're gonna be doing today. We have a little bit of news. We have jolts today, and I believe we have a little bit more. Well, that's the main thing. It will be jolts, and yeah, from yesterday we sold off. We bounced back. We had a little bit of a buyer's reaction, but then sold off, and then like during midnight session we again bounced back, so I don't know exactly where we will be. We're gonna find out. Excuse me again, like I'm so like awake, but as long as that camera is on I start yawning. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, here we are. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the higher time frames, the 1 day and 1 week. Just find it. There we go. So yeah, we can see that from Monday, we did have a little bit of this, like, buyers did press step in, but they failed, and now buyers continue to push higher. So we could see a little bit of reaction here, a little bit of a retracement, buyers taking a little bit of like tracing a little bit higher to get some liquidity, or it could be sentiment based. The market is just like oversold. Um, People are buying. Like, there's so many reasons why this could be happening, but um that is basically what I'm seeing here. And on the 1 week we still have some ways to get a full body retracement, so as on NQ. And we may test the wick of yesterday, the wick high, and that goes for NQ as well, so we're gonna look into that. And yeah, I mean, that's really it for now. I mean, let's see how bullish we get today. If we do get more bullish, we're already up 1.2%. I'm not gonna expect a crazy amount. Okay, let's get to the 4 hour and 1 hour. So on the 4 hour, we can really see that, like, from gapping down on Sunday to a little bit of retracement, these jackknife candles having a double bottom, and then buyers stepped in around the close, and then we consolidated, and then we're pushing again. So let's see how that plays out. Yeah, it's really it right now. Same goes for ES. On the 1 day, on the 1 hour, it's a little bit more defined of, okay, what exactly happened. Really just consolidating, hugging this area, and we're finally trading a little bit higher. And now on the 50-minute and 30-minute, the 15 minute and 30 minute, we got VIX slightly decreasing quite a bit actually. So that's good to see in some ways, bad to see in some ways. So yeah, we really broke that range gap down. We're like near 27 now, hovering at 28. And yeah, so on the 30 minute, we're just like, again, it's the same structure. It really like it's pretty choppy. I mean, yesterday was really choppy. It was not easy. Like I said yesterday, I took a trade that I thought it was a good reaction by sellers and stomping out some buyers, but then it had to give a little bit more pain, and I mean I was not ready for that, and I got stomped out, and then it didn't move. So I don't know if it's gonna be choppy like that today this week too as well, but uh we're gonna be ready for that. We're above the 200 EMA on the 50 minutes, so we have to look into that. We'll go ahead and draw that down. And on the we're taking resistance on the 50 minute on NQ. Oops. No, that doesn't. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense, right? Yeah. Okay. So that's really it. We're gonna move to the 50 minute and 30 minute. Sorry, 1 minute and 5 minute. So let's quickly log in. So on ES, we're almost near the high of yesterday. So we're gonna tab, and that's IB, right? Yeah, that's IB. So I want to see how we react to IB from yesterday. And on NQ, we are, so we're about to react to yesterday's value area low, and then the value area low and point of control, and then value area high. So then here we got value area low, which we already traded, point of control here, and we're tagging value area high. Okay, so that's what we're gonna look for, and we're gonna now load up bookmap as well. So already racking to the IB. We're breaking out on ES, and here we're still front running yesterday's value here. Hello. Selling off a bit. Near view up. There's liquidity lower. Buyers have shown reaction here. Let's see if they do. Yeah. The buyers fully responded, and that's great. Just like I said, giving pain. We tried to push higher, but then sellers stepped in, and we now didn't really break this low, but it's still great. I mean, the reaction by buyers is not bad at all. You have liquidity higher at 500. Good reaction to value area low. Point of control is a little bit higher, right about here. We're continuing to react. I like to see a pullback because I mean we cleared the low volume node, but a little bit of like I mean low volume mode is yesterday. A little bit of a pullback into that would be great before we tag point of control, or maybe we just do it. But I'm not gonna take that trade because it's not worth my risk. Where is point of control? Dubai stepped in quickly. There's that liquidity. Definitely consolidating. It got thinner, the liquidity too. I'm gonna wait it out. If it doesn't, if it just plays, it plays. But I wanna make sure that I get into this with good risk. Okay, no, it played out. Well, I don't think it would have filled me out. I actually front runned it. Yeah, it was just an algo move. Nice. Oh, wow. I wish I was a part of that. That would have been great. Would have been slipped nicely. Okay. I did not expect that, but that's good. Oh yeah, fuck. I'm so oops. I mean, nothing. I'm not supposed to, I swear. But I want to see the news. We have news at 9 at 9:45 and then 10 a.m. So strong reaction, honestly. Really just tagged Valley area high right now. Mm, mm, mm. The retest of VWAP is likely. Sorry, retest of point of control. I meant to say. Just making sure buyers don't step in here. I feel like I got prematurely filled. A little bit worried about that. I'll reduce risk. There's no point to keep risk on this. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a stomp out. About to reduce risk a lot, but I mean, good. I mean, the low volume node protection. Actually, should have played that a little bit better. It is what it is, but definitely could have played that better. I should have been more aware of the low volume node. That's my fault. My fault. Yeah. Um, I low volume node was was present, and I didn't really respect it. I guess I feel like the trade really happened because I missed out on that first opportunity. Unfortunate, but again, I got to reduce risk quite a bit, which is great. And there's the edge playing out. This point to control, right? Yeah, that's it. So it's like, I don't know. I think I'm just, this is the same story as yesterday. I think I need to just really be a little bit more patient. I'm taking the first opportunity. Look, it happened, buyers responded, and then the move happened. Like I need to get that through me. So that's it. I mean, two losses in a row from yesterday and today. It is what it is. I was ready for that to happen. If it did happen, it did happen. But price looks good today. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like there's opportunities, but I messed up here. I really need to get better at this. And like seriously, like I mean, yesterday happened again too, and today, like buyers responded, sellers responded, then the buyers reacted, and then like it's just like double pain. You need double pain. Like this is the pain given to the buyers, and this is the pain given to the sellers. I'm getting in too soon, and it costed me again. So now we're having a nice. We're probably gonna have a second, another push, which is great. Like honestly, the price is moving nice, but I have to call it. And let's see what happened with the news coming out 10 a.m. But I'm happy I got to reduce risk, of course. I'm happy with that. And yeah, I mean it is what it is. Like I do want to. I mean, it's been a little bit rough. I mean, it's been 2 days, so I should not speak so soon. But I definitely like. I know like because the thing is why it feels rough is just because yesterday the trade happened a minute after I got stomped out because of my earlier entry, and today is the same story, right? So I guess that's why it feels a little bit rough, but no worries. We gotta just move forward. I'm ready, for whatever happens tomorrow. If I take another loss, very normal, three losses in a row. I'm gonna just accept it. What I keep repeating, I'm happy about the loss that I took. I got to reduce risk because that's the best thing I could do. I don't know why I would be taking a full stomp out for no reason. Um, so we can see that we took $1,000 loss. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. And that makes me feel good. Like even though yes, I took a loss, yes, I know I could have played this better. The fact that I got to reduce risk effectively like that, I'll take it. I mean, we're still good for like another three losses. Sorry, not three. Yeah, 3 losses. So we're looking good. We're just gonna continue to survive, continue to take high quality trades. The market continues to move up. It's moving good. But we gotta pay the price for taking this entry too soon and missing the play that we wanted to play. We're gonna have to get better. So basically, I need to come with the mind that okay, I think this edge is gonna work, but I need to see pain from both sellers and buyers. So I need to see double reactions. Like I need to see this pullback by sellers and this reaction by buyers and then the actual move. I'm seeing this happen more and more. I gotta respond and adapt. So yeah. Okay, so not bad. Happy with it, honestly. Yeah, it went a little bit green. That's good too. Yesterday and today my trades are going a bit green. Um, but then things get worse, right? So honestly, it's okay. We're still positioned well. I think we're down how much? $2,300 from our high. That's not even exactly. That's not even 2 hour. That's really good. That's the power of managing risk more effectively. Um, and I'm glad to be doing that. Tomorrow, like I said, it could be another loss, but at least let me do a loss that makes me feel like okay, I learned from the past 2 days, and it's just a normal loss. Or it would be a winner, and I'm ready for that too. Um, and yeah, let's just see what the market delivers us tomorrow. But I'm ready to just give my best performance and trade well. But I feel good. These things happen, and I'm just proud of the fact that the loss is not that bad. Yes, I'm a little like salty about, the same story happening again, but we don't always learn on our first go. We don't always learn on our second go. Doesn't mean that, I'm incapable of like improving on it. Just means that I just need to really make it the front of my thoughts for the upcoming week. Okay, I'll log out and we'll call it a day. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you all have a great day. Um, and that your training continues to grow and that you get what you want with practice, with the wisdom, with the experience to become the best trader that you can be. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Is it raining? Looks like it's raining. It is raining. Damn it. Um, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope.